Today I'm going to talk about where I've been, why haven't I been filming, and when will I be back. Stick around. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. Some of you are new. You came over from Kristen, Georgia Sunshine's channel, and I thank you so much for just subscribing or even just visiting. I appreciate it. I think she's such a great gal, and I enjoy doing collabs with her, and I hope that any of her viewers that are over here are going to enjoy my channel as much as you enjoy hers. The big question, where have I been? Well, I say my life is chaos. I'm not even pretending. I'm not exaggerating in any way. My life is constant chaos. We moved to Lafayette. As you know, I did a house tour, and I'll link that for you right here. This house is absolutely amazing. And I was able to get unpacked really quickly, and I thought, oh yay, I'm unpacked. I got my studio set up. I can get right back into filming. I got most of the house unpacked. Then my older daughter went to boot camp, and then I had to start working on that room, which is now our school room. And I still homeschool. Then I had my daughter's wedding to go to, and then I had my grandchildren here with me. And now this past week we went to watch Katie graduate from boot camp. She's gone on to her tech school now, and things should be slowing down a little bit, but for us, nope, it's Christmas season, and I am a Christmas nut. You just don't even understand. I am a Christmas nut. I do so much Christmas that Christmas season is like a whirlwind in our family. So there's never a free minute. And on top of all of that, I could not get into a doctor here in Lafayette, so my prescription for my thyroid completely ran out. If you have Hashimoto's, hyperthyroid, then you know how important your medications are for you. So I was without my medications for about 3 months, which makes it almost impossible to do anything. You have no energy, you cannot lose weight, sleeping is impossible. It's just your brain stops working. And that made it hard to record. And on top of that, again, with the no doctor, I wasn't under doctor care for my migraines. So I hadn't been receiving any of my treatments. I was out of all my migraine medication. And every day, constant migraines. You know, on a scale, I rate my migraines on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, of course, I barely feel this, and 10 being, it's time to go to the hospital. And I usually, every single day, I'm at a 3 to a 4, with at least once or twice a week a 7, with at least once or twice a month an 8 or a 9. And sometimes, yeah, when you get up to that 9, you start going, am I dying? Do I need to go to the hospital now? So I'm dealing with all that. And in case that wasn't enough, a new house, daughter going to boot camp, daughter getting married, unmedicated thyroid, unmedicated migraines. On top of all that, I have a 2-year-old. And you're saying, oh, well, 2-year-olds are great. Yeah, most 2-year-olds are. And I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm going to include some pictures and maybe a video here for you so you can see how adorable my 2-year-old is.
What's happened?
You ate a whole bottle of peppermint oil?
Yeah. Ew.
It was ew? Asa, what does he smell like?
He smells like extreme mint.
Ed, why did you drink peppermint oil, Ed?
Mint.
Why did you drink it?
He thought it was liquid mint.
Mint.
Yeah, he's absolutely amazing and gorgeous and cute and funny, and we have a blast with him, but he is a hurricane. Hey, I lived through Harvey. I kid you not. The kid is a hurricane. He destroys every part of a room. Wherever you go with him, he destroys it. I'm going to give you an example from my life today. This was an easy day. This was a good day for Ed, for Mom. As I was cleaning the playroom, it's still not completely unpacked. It's definitely not all the way organized. I was trying to organize it a little bit. And I had made a pile of Legos. All the Legos go upstairs in my son's room under lock and key, so baby brother doesn't get them. I'd put them in a little container so I could carry them up. And while I was working on another area, he had dumped them all out and scattered them all across the floor in the span of about 5 minutes. I had to call my 12-year-old to come and hurriedly pick up the Legos and rush him out of the room because that's what it's like trying to do anything with him. If I am putting on lotion in the morning, he's washing his hands in the sink and digging through my cabinets. And if I'm taking a shower in the morning, he's got lotion or body wash and he's cleaning me and he's on my phone and oh, he never stops. And of course he's 2, he's not supposed to stop. But filming with that 2-year-old is exceedingly hard, and my other kids are happy to help me watch him, but they cannot control him because he is wild. So all of that and a 2-year-old makes it very hard for me to film, but I do watch YouTube. I still love YouTube so much. I watch YouTube videos every night. I can't get enough of YouTube. It's still something that I really, truly love. I really want to be back videotaping, filming every week, 2-3 times a week like I was. I love it so much. It's really makeup and skincare, hair, nails. It's a passion of mine. I love it. But even more so, the teacher in me wants to take care of you and teach you these things too. And so I have a list a mile long of the things I want to teach you. So stay with me. Stay with me. Hopefully you're still watching this video. I may just be talking to myself. Stay with me and I'm going to teach you all those things that I want you to know and all the things that you've been asking me to teach you. I'm here. I hopefully will get ready soon. Coming up, I'm going to show you the best way to put on concealer for aging eyes. I get asked that all the time. I want to show you that. I've got some great tips for that. I'm going to show you some of my rooms that I've finished in the house. I know people have been asking how's the unpacking, how's the furnishing going. I want to show you that. I've got a couple of skincare items coming up. I've got a mask that I got off Shark Tank coming up. I've got so many things. I've got so many things. I've got a weight loss video coming up. I've got a stitch fix coming up. I still am getting my stitch fixes. I did Ultherapy a few years ago and I wanted to show you the results from the Ultherapy. I know that's a hot ticket item. Just so many things that I want to share with you. So just stay tuned, bear with me, and we will get back to what I was doing before. I just want to thank you again for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos, for finding me on the interwebs. There's so many things you could be doing and you chose to watch this 20-minute long, 3-hour long, 2-day long video. Thank you so much. And I'm going to get going here, have a date with my husband, and I will see you soon. Bye!